In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer database using Google Forms and Google Sheets. This is a simple and efficient way to organize and manage customer information without needing any specialized software. We'll go through everything step by step, ensuring you understand not just what to do, but how and why each step is essential. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. This is where we will create our Google form, which will serve as the tool for collecting customer data. Once you're there, click on the blank form option to start creating a new form. Now let's populate this form with the necessary fields to collect important customer information. Think about what details you want to gather from your customers. Typically, you would need fields like name, email, phone number, and address. To add a field, simply click on the plus icon on the side of your form. Make sure each field is clearly labeled to guide the person filling out the form. With your form taking shape, you're ready to connect this form to Google Sheets, where the data will be stored. Look for the Responses tab at the top of your form page, click on it, and you'll see an option labeled Link to Sheets. Selecting this will automatically create a new Google Sheet that's linked to your form, meaning each response submitted will be captured and organized in this spreadsheet. What's great about this is the automation aspect. Every time someone fills out and submits your form, their information is instantly recorded in your Google Sheet without any manual input needed from you. This seamless integration helps maintain a real-time updated database. Now, with your database set up in Google Sheets, you have a powerful tool at your disposal for viewing, organizing, and managing your customer data. You can use the sorting and filtering options within Sheets to analyze customer trends, manage contact lists, and track client interaction in a dynamic eye way. A few tips to enhance your database: you might want to set up data validation rules within the sheets to ensure that entries like email addresses are entered correctly. You could also consider color coding cells based on different attributes to create an even clearer visual categorization, making it easier to navigate through your data. And there you have it. Your customer database is now up and running, efficient, automated, and beautifully simple. Google Forms and Sheets together provide an easily navigable, free, and effective way to maintain your customer data with minimal effort and maximum impact. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.